Hello guys. Today the word of the day on Binance is an 8-letter word. So let's see uh, what word can we take away: enforcement, focus, customer, culture. So there are different words. So customer. This seems an 8-letter word, and every alphabet is different. So let's see if we qualify or if we can guess the correct word of the day. So here is customer. So customer is the correct word of the day. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for correct word of the day on Binance for tomorrow. Thank you.